I'm introducing my brother Keith from the States, and we have also Xavier. So, complete family kami ngayon. So, we're gonna do another song for you, pero this is a full family production naman. Ayan. So, for this next performance, we're gonna welcome someone very important.
Sino? Dali! Salita! Pagtahimik! Never! You can turn off my mic, but you can never turn off my voice.
Amerika yung dalawang yan. Dalawang maliit. Dalawa na siya.
I'm tired.
Sige natin ako. Hiya ka makita siya. Wait lang. Okay, wait. Okay, game. May mic ka na ba?
I'm confused.
Wala ka pang mic. Okay, wait lang. Wala pa pong mic ang ating main singer. Wala pa siyang mic. Ayan. Ayan po, halata na po, unprepared po kami. So wala po talagang nakapag-rehearse dito ng maayos.
And always nice.
Let's introduce Muffin Puppet! Everybody scream! Muffin!
you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Everyone leave while I'm in order.
Wait, come back. Come back to the young and beautiful you. We have a message for mom. Where's my brother? Come back to the stage.
I have a message.
Bakit ka may dala dyan? Sponsored ba tayo?
Nauuhaw, eh.
Kaya nga eh. Okay yan, sponsor po tayo by Bobby. Bobby Bob.
Sparkling beverage. I love mangoes.
O diba? Yan po, very effective marketing po. So for today, we want to greet our mother kasi syempre kami po ang kanyang tatlong anak.
Kapatid ko lang po sila, actually.
Kapatid. Sometimes, ayun. So, we wanna give a special message para naman she can rest before she performs again. So, syempre magsisimula muna tayo kay Mr. Segovia.
What? No, what am I doing? You want this emotional, crazy? What? 1, 2, 3. No crazy? Alright, no crazy. Mom, you told me when I was a baby, I'ma leave you here real quick for a few years and come back. And that's okay. I would do that too if I had a kid, okay? Don't worry. But you came back and then you told me, be your own man. Well, specifically, stop making your friends ask permission when you go out. And you know what? That's a very good lesson. You always confront your parents. Never be afraid. And then I went outside. So thank you, Mom. Thank you so much for teaching me how to be brave. You don't talk for me!
Just to translate everything that has happened,
This is just a normal life.
Maraming salamat daw po yun.
Ay, sorry, nakalimutan ko na sa Pinas ako. Hello, basta naman kayo.
Kauwi lang po kasi nila galing Amerika. Nag-aaral po kasi si Xavier doon and si Keith. So, they just came home to surprise me. And, palakpakan po na.
Lakas pa. Ang dami ko hindi kumakaya.
Ang pinakamakulit na komedyante namin si Keith. Siya ang oldest ko po. Tapos sunod, si Zach, which is napapagkamalan ang panganay ko.
Organ maliit ako. Hindi ibig sabihin ako yung bunso. Ako yung panganay.
Yeah!
Sorry po, hindi po siya galit. Hyper lang po siya. Dahil yan sa Bobby Cafe. And thank you
Yes,
so much.
thank you so much, Bobby. And then, ang bunso ko, si Xavier.
Do you have any special message pa to mom? Or...
Okay, I think he's done.
He's done?
Yeah, your turn.
Am I done? I'm
Yes.
tired. I'm tired.
Sige, unahin na muna natin si
You can sit
Xavier.
down now.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Thanks,
Mr.
Xavier.
Segovia. Ayan. Now we have our Mr. Mabasa. The youngest of all the sons.
But he looks like the most mature. He's so
Yeah. He's... Wow!
Wow.
What?
At least there's one man in my life that's kneeling for me.
Ano?
Oh God, joke!
May hugot siya, may hugot.
Iisa lang ang lumuhod.
Okay po, going back, hindi na po tayo sa may luhod-luhod. Layo na po tayo sa mga luhod-luhod. Okay, going back sa messages po ng ating bunsong kapatid.
Mom, I'm glad to be able to
Tagalog.
Yeah, speak in Tagalog. Pasensya na. Okay, crowd control. Okay, go, Xavier.
I'm happy to be able to celebrate this day with you.
Masaya daw po siya na na-celebrate niya yung birthday niya.
Okay.
I wish I could do more things to offer since I'm still the youngest child. I wish I could give you more gifts compared to my other brothers.
Sana po marami pa daw po siya nagagawa bilang pinakabatang kapatid. Dahil kung tulad po namin na mas older, mas madami daw po kami nakakontribute.
2023 translators at Papi, let's go!
But once I get older, hopefully in my 30s, I'll be able to take care of you in the future as how you take us children.
Sana po pag tumanda daw siya malaki.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
Aww.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Ayan, actually si Xavier po, very, ano po yan, nonchalant na person. Hindi po yan ma-expressive sa mga words niya, kaya very rare po yan na nagaganyan, nag-open up sa amin. Opo. So, palapakan naman natin si Xavier. Okay po, let's welcome the other daughter, Miss Eileen Pamit. Sorry, hindi pala ako pala. Sorry, ako po pala, ayan. Hindi pa pala ako nag-message. Okay po. So, bilang the closest to you, ayan, na parang napagkakamalang kami to. Grabe naman yung spotlight na yan. Actually, ang in-apply ko po dito, host. Pero meron na po kasi umagaw ng position ko. Ayan, nauna po sila. Pero going back, mom is a really strong person. Alam niyo, ever since po talaga, very fighter po yun. Kaya pag nakita niyo, strong po nang napapakita niya sa inyo. Pero she has a very soft heart din.
Very soft.
Na very mahal niya po lahat talaga ng mga nasa paligid niya. Especially those who treasure her. So ayan po, I really love my mom. Alam nyo, may we have misunderstandings sometimes, but all in all po, araw-araw naman kami po ang takbuhan ng isa't isa. And kaya nga kami siguro magkamukha na dahil lagi na lang kami magkasama sa kwarto niya. Ayan. So please clap for my mom, because I love her so much and she deserves all the happiness in the world. And I do hope na mahanap mo na rin yung magpapasaya sa'yo. That's what I'm wishing for. Kasi po, ayan, very single pong nanay ko ngayon, so alamin na po ha. Binibenta ko na po ang nanay ko. Pag maayos po kayo, dadaan muna kayo sa akin. Kasi lahat po ng mga lalaki niya dumaan sa akin. Ayun, walang nakatawid. Kaya parang baka naman po para sa mga lalaki niya. Joke lang pa, joke lang. So, ayan, I love you, mom, and I do hope we have more birthdays to come. Sa lola ko po na nawawala na ayaw pong lola ang tawag ko sa kanya. I love you too so much, and I'm happy that you birthed our beautiful mother na your only daughter, because if wala po siya, wala po kaming tatlo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, baby. I love you so much. Iiyak na sana ako.
Group hug, everyone! Group hug! Kasi wala po si mom eh. Pasensya na po. Hyper pa rin po talaga siya.
Maraming
Thank you so much! Ayun po, nagbabalik po ang aming Lola Eileen Papi.